Good morning students, welcome in online classes. Myself Rashmi Ande, your science teacher. Students, today we are going to start our next lesson, fifth lesson, inside the atom. We know that atom, it is the smallest part of any matter of molecules. We have seen that matter is made up of molecules. Molecules are formed from the atoms. Different molecule, when they bond to each other, when they join to each other, there is the formation of matter. Maybe that is solid, liquid or gases. And in that molecules they combine from the atoms. Effectively, an atom is the smallest unit of matter. This is the definition of atom. Please highlight that definition. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which retain its chemical identity in all the physical and chemical changes. Atom, it is the smallest particle of element. Here in the box, we know that suppose water it is there. Formula of water it is H2O. H2O, it is a molecule. In that two different atoms are there, hydrogen and oxygen. Therefore, it is called as the compound. We know that types of matter in that matter it is either element or compound. Compound यानी क्या? दो different molecules जब combine होते हैं या उनमें bond form होता है, that is called as the compound. So here first example it is the water. और water क्या है? Compound है. क्यों? क्योंकि उनमें हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन ये दो अलग अलग डिफरेंट एटम्स है, डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इट इज द ऑक्सीजन इन दैट O2. अभी यहाँ पे देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज अ मॉलिक्यूल. इट इज अ मॉलिक्यूल. सिंगल टाइप ऑफ एटम इट इज, yes, only two molecules of oxygen are there and therefore it is the element. So in this way you can bifurcate these all examples in molecules and therefore you can bifurcate the remaining examples into elements and compound. Criteria क्या रहेगा? अगर single molecule है that is in 2 number और 3 number that is the element. जैसे ऑक्सीजन है, हाइड्रोजन है, नाइट्रोजन है, एर्गॉन है, नियॉन है, क्लोरीन है, ये सब क्या है? एलिमेंट्स है. लेकिन अमोनिया, मीथेन, these are the compound. क्योंकि अमोनिया में नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन ये दो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ अवर लेसन इट इज formation of atom. How atom it is find out, invention about that. We have learned that earlier. We have learned in earlier standard that the smallest particle of most of the substances are molecules. The molecules of a few substances contain only one atom. Molecules are formed by chemical combination of atoms. From this, we understand that the smallest particle of an element taking part in a chemical combinations is an atom. So, atom, molecule, there is the formation of compounds, elements. Compound element ये तो सबसे लास्ट में फॉर्मेशन हो गया. कोई भी एलिमेंट हो, कंपाउंड हो, उसका सबसे छोटा सा पार्ट जो है वो है एटम. सो हाउ इट वाज इन्वेंटेड? In modern times, scientists on the basis of the experiments explained the nature of atom as well as internal structure of the atom. First of all, these all invention was started with the Dalton's atomic theory. First theory about the atomic structure, or we can say the information about the atom, it was given by Dalton's. British scientist John Dalton put forth his celebrated atomic theory. According to this theory, matter is made up of atoms and atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Please highlight these 3 lines. According Dalton का कहना क्या था कि whatever the matter किससे बनता है? कोई भी matter हो, it is made up of the atoms. और atoms क्या है? Indivisible. Indivisible that means that cannot be divide, जिसका डिवाइडेशन हम नहीं कर सकते, that are called as the indivisible. Yes, and indestructible, जिसका डिस्ट्रक्शन नहीं हो सकता. that molecules are called as the atoms. All atoms of an element are alike, that is the same. All atoms of an elements are alike, while different element have different atom with different mass. Here Dalton's atomic model, a circular shape, that is the structure of atom, it is there. Bundi laddu is found to have an internal structure. It is formed by sticking smaller particles, the bundis, to each other. We know that bundi laddu, वहाँ पे जैसे बूंदी का लड्डू कैसे बनता है, छोटे 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 जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं बूंदी के, वो एक साथ जब बॉन्ड उनका फॉर्म होता है, देन देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लड्डू. However, the solid ball, broadly speaking, does not have any internal structure. The atom is described by Dalton turns out to be a hard, solid sphere with no internal structure. According to Dalton, एटम क्या है? अ स्पीयर, अ सर्कुलर शेप, और उसमें कोई भी इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. दिस वॉज द थियरी ऑफ द डाल्टन. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर डाल्टन, according to Dalton's atomic theory, the mass is distributed uniformly in the atom. जो भी mass, because each and everything they have their own mass, own weight. Yes, तो जो भी मास है वो एटम्स का, दैट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड यूनिफॉर्मली, इक्वली इन दैट एटम. These are the we can say these are the postulates of the Dalton's theory. Okay, after Dalton's theory, scientist J.J. Thomson demonstrated experimentally that the negatively charged particles inside an atom have a mass 1800 times less than a hydrogen atom. Later, these particles were named as electrons. Only Thomson invented that कि ऐसा कुछ है एटम में जो यूनिफॉर्मली जिसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, लेकिन इनसाइड द एटम अ निगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स आर प्रेजेंट और उनका मास हाइड्रोजन से भी बहुत कम है. एंड बाद में आफ्टर दैट नेगेटिव चार्ज एटम्स आर नेम्ड वाज इलेक्ट्रॉन. कॉमन सब्सटेंसेस आर यूजुअली इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. Obviously, the molecules of substances and the atom which combine chemically to form molecules are electrically neutral. Neutral, that means there is no charge, no positive charge, no negative charge. They are called as the electrically neutral. जैसे minus phi plus phi, they become neutral. Okay. So, how is an atom electrically neutral in spite of having negatively charged electrons in it? न्यूट्रल यानी क्या? निगेटिव चार्ज अगर प्रेजेंट है तो उसको न्यूट्रल करने के लिए पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी मस्ट है. तो फिर अगर सिर्फ निगेटिव चार्ज प्रेजेंट है तो वो एटम इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल कैसे हो गया? देन थॉमसन अगेन इन्वेंटेड अबाउट दिस, and Thomson overcame this difficulty by putting forth the plum pudding model of atomic structure. Students, Thomson का जो एटॉमिक मॉडल है, एटम के बारे में जो उन्होंने थियरी दी है, उस मॉडल को कहा जाता है प्लम पुडिंग मॉडल. What is this plum pudding model? Here the theory about that. The plum pudding model of atom put forth by Thomson in the year 1904 is the first model of atomic structure. According to this model, the positively charged is distributed throughout the atom and the negatively charged electrons embedded in it. Here diagrammatic representation it is there. According to this model, जो positively charged particles है, they are distributed. And negatively charged particles, they are in circle, they are embedded inside it. The distributed positive charge is balanced by the negative charge of electrons, therefore the atom become electrically neutral. Here suppose 8 positive charge are there and here 8 negative charge are there. Therefore, 8 positive charge and negative charge also 8 in number, and they become neutral. Therefore, that atom is electrically neutral. This was the theory of J.J. Thomson. थॉमसन इन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम जो है एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर का मॉडल जो है वो प्रेजेंट किया है. The main part about the atomic structure invention, it was done by Rutherford's nuclear model of atom. Rutherford experiment, it was a very famous experiment. Okay, Rutherford studied the inside of atom by his celebrated scattering experiment and put forth the nuclear model of atom in the year 1911. He properly studied about the atomic structure, about the structure of that atom, and after that he put forth his theory. What was his theory? Rutherford took a very thin gold foil and bombarded it with the positively charged alpha particles emitted by a radioactive element. उन्होंने क्या किया, एक गोल्ड फॉइल, सोने का एक पतरा, बहुत थिन ऐसा एक शीट गोल्ड फॉइल उन्होंने ली और उस पर उन्होंने क्या किया, बम्बार्डिंग यानी फॉलिंग द रेज of alpha particles. That alpha particles are emitted by a radioactive element. जैसे यूरेनियम है, थोरियम है, ये है radioactive element. He observed the path of alpha particles by means of a fluorescent screen around the gold foil. It was expected that the alpha particles would get reflected from the gold foil if the positively charged mass were evenly distributed inside the atom. हमने क्या कहा था कि जो भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज है वो एटम के अंदर क्या होता है, यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होता है. अगर ऐसा हुआ तो वॉट एवर द रेज दे आर फॉलिंग ऑन दिस गोल्डन फॉइल दे विल रिफ्लेक्ट, वो क्या हो जाएंगे, रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे. ऐसा अजम्पशन किया था रुदरफोर्ड ने. बट what was the result? Result was totally opposite. Most of the alpha particles went straight through the foil. A small number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path and a still smaller number of alpha particles get deflected throughout a large angle, and surprisingly one alpha particle out of 20,000 bounced back in the direction opposite to the original path. Here the diagrammatic representation of the Rutherford experiment. In this box there is a radioactive element. ये radioactive element से क्या करना है हमें? We have to emit that alpha particles on this gold foil. So when these alpha particles they fall on this gold foil, some they return, some they pass in straight way and some they scattered. उन्होंने उनकी डायरेक्शन क्या कर दी, चेंज कर दी. And this was the amazing result, unexpected result of the Rutherford's assumption. The large number of alpha particles that went straight through the foil indicates that there was no obstacle in their path. आर पार स्ट्रेट लाइन में जो रेस पास हो गए, दैट मीन्स कोई कुछ भी वहां पे ऑब्स्टेकल, उनको रुकाने वाला कुछ भी वहां पे नहीं था. अगर कुछ होता तो वहां से वो रिटर्न आ जाते, लेकिन वहां पे कुछ नहीं था, इसीलिए वो गोल्ड शीट को पास करके चले गए. यस, द स्मॉलर नंबर ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल्स दैट गेट डिफ्लेक्टेड थ्रू अ स्मॉल और अ बिग एंगल मस्ट हैव फेस्ड एन ऑब्स्टेकल इन देयर पाथ. जो डिफ्लेक्ट हो गए हैं, जिन्होंने अपना पाथ चेंज किया है, देखो ना यहाँ पे ये डिफ्लेक्टेड रेज, तो उनको वहां पे कुछ ना कुछ ऑब्स्टेकल होगा, इसीलिए वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में पास नहीं हुए, तो वो क्या हो गए, दे चेंज देयर पाथ. It means that the positively charged and heavy part causing obstruction would be in the center of the atom. From this, Rutherford put forth a nuclear model of the atom. That theory it is called as the Rutherford's atomic theory or Rutherford's nuclear atomic model. First point of his theory, there is a positively charged nucleus at the center of an atom. जो हम अभी भी मानते हैं, जो अभी जो प्रूव हो चुका है कि सेंट्रली समथिंग इज प्रेजेंट एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट द न्यूक्लियस, एंड दैट न्यूक्लियस कैरीज द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. Second postulate, second point, it is almost the entire mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. जो एटम का मैक्सिमम मास है, वेट है, वो कहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है? सेंट्रली. कहाँ पे? न्यूक्लियस में. थर्ड वन, negatively charged particles, it is called as the electrons, revolve around the nucleus. जो निगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स है उनको उन्होंने नाम दिया इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एंड दैट रिवॉल्व अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. The total negative charge on all the electron is equal to the positive charge on the nucleus. As the opposite charges are balanced, the atom is electrically neutral. As per his theory, जो total positive charge है, they are equal to total negative charge, and therefore that atom it is electrically neutral. And last point of his theory, it is there is an empty space between the revolving electron and the atomic nucleus. So this is about the Rutherford's atomic theory. Students, this is a very important, interesting part, because we know that in physics we discussed about the atoms, molecules in 9th, 10th standard. Further study in detail about that, but you have to know the actual base of that. Okay, so read out this theory, read out this lesson, and if any difficulty regarding to that, you can ask me. Next part, that is the Bohr's atomic theory, we will discuss into the next lecture. Thank you.